First, look at the remote control buttons. Look for the button on the remote. Save 1 to save ETA for saving scenario modes. Call 1 to call ETA in the call scenario mode. Switch the required display mode first. Then press Save 1 on the remote control. The matrix saves the current display mode as Scene Mode 1. Continue to switch to other inputs. Then press Save 2 on the remote. The matrix saves the current display mode as Scenario Mode 2. And so on, other modes are saved in the same way. All the scenarios you need are saved. When you need to invoke scenario mode, press the corresponding call key on the remote control. For example, pressing call 1 can invoke scenario mode 1. Scenario mode 2 can be invoked by pressing call 2. Scenario mode 3 can be invoked by pressing call 3. This is how to save and invoke matrix scenario mode using remote control.